So hi, my name is Sneha. I am from technical background, BTech CSE. I came to QSpiders around 23rd of January, where I have taken the course of software testing with Python automation. So I started my testing journey from here. There I learned various skills like manual testing, Python, SQL, and a lot more. Saying about the experience in QSpiders, I can say this is the place where you can start your career in IT field. If you want to start your career in IT field, then this is the best place for you. So saying about the trainers are here just like the great mentor. I learned manual testing from Chandrakanta sir. They will give the clarity of concept that will sit in your mind. You never forget it even without revising after 3 or 4 months. He will make you understand the concept diagrammatically by giving the real-time examples. After that, I learned Python from Nadeem sir. But actually, the Python is and the in-depth knowledge of Python I learned from the Nadeem sir only. He will make me understand the code by relating the real-time scenarios. After that, I taken the SQL classes from Harsha sir. Harsha sir class, students never get bored. He will create an environment in class that makes you understand the concept more productively. There is practice of giving presentations and mocks and grooming classes is very necessary. They help you a lot. The practice of giving presentation boosts my confidence. It also helps me to improve my communication skills. So I also, whenever I need a suggestion or I am in a trouble or I face any kind of problem, I went to the trainers like Devasi sir, Ami sir, where I remember that firstly before I started the course, I went to Devasi sir and Ami sir. So which is result that I got placed. After that, whenever if you want any kind of help, you go to the trainer, they will never say no. They will always be present there and they will be putting their best efforts and they will try to find out solutions which is the best solution for you. Special thanks to the Chandrakanta sir who helped me a lot and giving me guidance from time to time. I also want to thank to the Kajal ma'am, HR ma'am also. They will give me information about the interviews and the requirement from time to time which helped me a lot. Lastly, I would like to say that this is not just an institution, it is the place where you can start your career in IT sector and also you can improve your personality as well. You can improve your communication skill as well. So, thank you.